folks, I have a really cool tenor to show you today. This is number 999. And this goes to my customer Jeremy, who also has 333-666 and now 999, which is pretty fun. And we had a good time kind of coming up with how to design this instrument. Did some kind of unusual decision-making methods, which include me pulling some tarot cards. And so in that process, I fell in love with this little star that's from the tarot card, the star. And so we put those on the fretboard on the fretboard there. Really beautiful little ones. Yeah, and then it's got a cool little rosette, matching end graft. Really was a fun instrument. So the back and sides are curly walnut, which comes from Southern Oregon, from Kevin at Wood from the West, and the same with the curly Orford cedar top. The neck is hemlock. I don't remember where I got the hemlock from, and everything else is walnut. It's a 5-string instrument with 2 Gs, a low and a high, and then that fits best on the kind of Rajau shaped headstock, the kind of early Hawaiian headstock, because you can put that 5th peg in the middle. And then we use the peg head brand tuners, which are lighter weight geared tuners, and they kind of suit this instrument, this style well. And then, yeah, the customer, Jeremy, he always likes these clear plastic pick guards. He plays in a manner that usually marks up the instrument there, so. So yeah, I like the low and high G together. It's pretty cool. So there's 999, and yeah, coming up soon is 1000. Not quite sure exactly what that's going to be yet, but you'll hear about it as soon as we can. Cheers.